A long time ago in the land of Uz there lived a man named Job. He was blameless and upright, fearing God and shunning evil. Job was a prosperous man with 7 sons and 3 daughters, and he owned vast flocks and herds, the greatest man among all the people of the East. Job's children would hold feasts in their homes, and after each one Job would offer burnt sacrifices, thinking perhaps his children had sinned in their hearts. This was Job's regular custom. But in the heavenly realm the angels presented themselves before the Lord, and with them came Satan. God said, "Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one on earth like him, blameless and upright, fearing God and shunning evil." One day a messenger came to Job, bringing devastating news. Raiders had attacked his oxen and donkeys, killing the servants. Job tore his robe, shaved his head, and fell to the ground in worship, saying, "Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked I will depart. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. May the name of the Lord be praised." Days later, Satan returned to the Lord, questioning Job's integrity. "Stretch out your hand and strike his flesh and bones," Satan said. "He will surely curse you." The Lord allowed Satan to strike Job with painful sores, but his life was to be spared. Job sat in the ashes, scraping his sores with a piece of pottery. Job's wife said to him, "Are you still maintaining your integrity? Curse God and die." But Job replied, "You are talking like a foolish woman. Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" Three friends of Jobaz, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar, came to comfort him. When they saw him from a distance, they could hardly recognize him. But when Job spoke, he cursed the day of his birth, questioning why life was given to those in misery. Job defended his innocence, saying, "I know that my Redeemer lives, and that in the end he will stand on the earth." Then a great storm arose, and from the whirlwind the voice of God thundered, "Who is this that obscures my plans with words without knowledge?" Job responded, "I am unworthy. How can I reply to you? I put my hand over my mouth." God then rebuked Job's friends for not speaking the truth about him as Job had. He instructed them to offer sacrifices, and Job would pray for them. The Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. His brothers and sisters came to comfort him, and his wealth was restored.